Friends, hello everyone, and glad to welcome you to our channel. In this video, I will show you and also tell you how you can reboot your iPhone and show you several methods at once. Friends, please put your likes, write comments under this video, and also be sure to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started. And to begin with, friends, the first is the easiest and most common method. To do this, you will need to press the volume up button on your iPhone or the mute button at the same time. You will need to press them at the same time and hold them down. That is, not just press and release, because we're going to take a screenshot, press and hold. And that's how you're going to get. You'll get a page like this, and in order to turn the phone off, you have to swipe this button from the left side to the right side. Also, if for some reason you can't turn the phone on, or you can't press the top sound, then you can pinch the bottom sound and turn off, and you will have the same result where you will need to drag the button to turn off your iPhone. Second method. If you are uncomfortable, you can't get used to pressing the buttons, you'll need to go into the iPhone settings. Swipe down a little bit and go to Basic. Scroll to the very bottom and here you will find Power Off. Click on that. And in the same way, you'll just have to swipe that button from left to right. And if for some reason none of the above methods work for you, then you'll need to reboot your phone. Perhaps you have it hanging or something else. Then the most extreme method. To do this, you need to quickly press first the sound increase button, then the sound decrease button, and then press and hold on the shutdown button. I will try to show you how it can be. So, increase, decrease, press, and hold. And you'll get this same page, but you don't let go of the button like I'm going to do. Hold it down further. Especially, this one has this useful if you have, let's say, a sensor not working, you can't swipe the button to turn it off. Then a forced overload of the phone like this can help you. I'll tell you again what to do. Quickly press the sound increase, decrease, and immediately press and hold until the phone itself will not turn off the shutdown button. Friends, these are the methods you will be able to reboot your iPhone. I hope this video has been helpful and useful to you. Please, friends, put your likes, write comments, subscribe to our channel, and see you soon.